Kia ora fams, welcome back to the vlog. It's New Year's Eve and we are spending the night packing. We got all our suitcases all lined up, ready to be packed. And my darling here has got zero motivation. She just finished work today. I spent the day cleaning.
You did a really good job.
Can you say it for the people in the back?
He did a really good job.
So we got tonight, tomorrow night, and then Thursday morning we leave for Samoa. Hasn't kicked in yet, but I'm sure it will once we get to the airport. We're just sitting here, procrastinated. We just finished watching Squid Games 2. I wanted to see the 4th episode. I wasn't actually into it, but it's not too bad. Alright, we actually better do something.
I'm really gonna miss Pop. Yeah, I'll probably be really upset. I don't have as much time with her compared to Lefa, because I've got work right up until we leave. Like,
What time you finish?
I finish at midnight, so I'll get home at like 12:30.
And then we have to check in that.
Yeah, at least like between 3-4 the latest.
Yeah. Right, literally home, grab the bags. Airport.
I'll be crying for those 3 hours. But yeah, come with us to pack our bags. Go to Samoa. Actually, no, I've got a bloody bone to pick now.
Alright,
Come back. Come back here.
you guys are staying of the episode.
No. First of all, I should have never done this, but I'm glad I did. I checked out the bloody weather report for Samoa. And guess what? Torrential rain. And it's like flood, what is it? Flood?
Thundering.
Thunderstorms, flood, and it's just raining. And then people at work said, it's the wet season. I tell you what's not wet. Your mum.
Guys,
Sorry.
I'm wearing a bloody hoodie in the New Zealand summer. It's freaking been raining and cold in the last couple of days here, right? So we're hoping that we're getting some sunshine once we get to Samoa.
Okay. Later, losers.
Alright.
Wait, I want to do it.
Guys, I was just trying out my camera. It's following me. Pretty crazy. Oh wow! It actually follows you. Wait. Oh my god, this is funny. This is crazy. Ay, labang akalo eh. Pero ako. Oh, he's following.
Oh, I hate it.
Look. Bro, we're just buzzing out how this camera just follows you around.
We're not getting anything done.
We're just vibing at the moment.
This is our New Year's party.
Welcome to our New Year's party. Coming to you live from the cold, windy Wellington. Be some fireworks later on. Alright, we really need to pack our bags.
Oh, we're short of breath.
That's our push play for the day. What's in here? Oh, this is full already. We'll probably get some more chocolates tomorrow, just to fill up the containers and the suitcases. Take these price tags off. All right. And this is why, guys, we never get anything done. Little man. Two are for the older two. And then these two. I think these two are for the young ones. And then those two are for the older ones. Oh, this is Titi's kids. Oh, another margarita. Make it through tonight. Okay, my knees hurts. They're riding. Lotte man! Now you spilled the water. I think we're gonna have to get. We'll have to get a. That's how the Cook Island dance. Eh? All right, I think this bag is overloaded. We're gonna have to take some out. Oh my God, some more clothes here. All right. One down. Maybe 4 to go. Last minute. Always last minute.
You know how he was talking about fireworks?
It's too wet.
Like that. That was very R-rated.
The weather is too wet, so you can't have fireworks.
So let's come along with me. This whole segment will beep. Anyway, just public service announcement. Some of you need this. Speaking for my homeboy back there. And I hate that this thing is following me. This is my dog. This is Pap. This is Pap. Pap, how do you feel about us going to Samoa? And how do you feel about your Auntie Sulla looking after you? Yeah, it's a bit questionable. Leaf has made about like 3 laps down the hallway. I've done 0. Zilch. But Pup and I, Pup wants the mic now. Tell them how you feel. You wish you were on a one-way ticket to Hamilton. Okay.
Guys, we're getting a bit tired now. But we've got to push through. We need to get this done. We need to get this done. Good morning.
Morning, everyone.
All right. I'll show you today's mission. It's day 2 of packing for Samoa. And this is the mess we got. We still haven't packed. We did all our washing last night, so we spent the New Year doing washing. New Year's Eve. And now we spent New Year's
You know what cracks me up?
doing some more last minute shopping. Because this is how we want to do things, you know? Right up to the 11th hour. Ready? Ready to go?
I swear this is Leafer. Look how much we've done, guys. Look how much we've still got to go. His whole shoulder's in the way. See?
Guys, this is our weather for the first day of 2025.
What one is it?
Both of them. It's raining. Oh my god. Alright.
Do you want to show them my plants?
Oh. I have to show you Lotta's plants and herbs. What do you guys reckon? It's pretty good at the moment. I thought it'd be all dead by now.
I'm just watering the outside.
Good job, darling. Alright, let's get out of this rain. Alright guys, we're just getting some breakfast. It's New Year's Day and we're starting the new year with Macca's. I'll just get a breakfast. Thank you. Yo, yeah, that one. Amen. As you can see, we're not in a particular rush to get anything done.
Let's find out. Oh. 8 minutes.
Alright guys, we just finished breakfast. Now, we need to tick off some things off the list. And what are those things?
We're just going to go to Chemist Warehouse and go back out to the hut and then be home by 11 so we can pick and clean. I already rang in late this morning. But yep. Sweet.
Alright, let's go before she gets tired, guys.
I tell you what, we're at Porirua McDonald's, and these beautiful, lovely girls that are working in the McDonald's like coffee section just treat their elderly co-workers really nicely and so beautifully.
If only their coffee was just as good.
Yeah, their coffee was